What's up my people? How una dey? Wetin dey sup? I know say deep dey wire everybody, no be only you. E reach here too, deep dey beat all of us, everywhere red. Today I no come here come teach you anything or preach anything, but na still teaching I come do. Now I know say you dey hold some altcoin. Na my advice for you be this thing wey dey happen, e don happen for 2017, 2018 and e go still happen again, no be the end be this. Now my advice for you be say any altcoin wey you dey hold, wey be say if you go check their roadmap and dem no dey work towards metaverse, web3, NFT, all this new system, if their white paper no dey or their roadmap, or dem no dem no put am there, or dem no dey work towards am, that altcoin, I no go tell you wetin to do, but I believe say with this information you don know wetin to do, because no be all altcoin wey drop now go back to all time high. Some go vanish forever, you no go see them again. So any altcoin wey you dey hold wey no follow the new system of web3, play to earn, NFT, metaverse, wey be say dem no follow dey, you are on your own o. So I no advise you anything wey you like make you do with this information, but wetin I go tell you say all the coin wey drop, no be all of them go come up back, shey you understand. So I no go talk pass that one, shey you get. So try dey hold better coin wey get use cases, wey be say you know say this coin dem get things wey dem dey use them for. I no go talk pass that one. Thank you.